Hi guys, wanted to show you another really quick and easy fun tutorial using the ponytail extensions. It's another half up style, so if you can just get to the stage where you've got like a half up and you've added your ponytail extension, or maybe if you didn't have one of these, you've got your ribbons. You could do different colours, you could do colours to match your uniform, you could do colours to match an outfit, totally versatile, so do give it a go. So I'm just going to literally pin this out of the way, because what I want to do with this is where I've got my 3 strands, I only want it to be one, so I'm just going to braid it really quickly just to turn it into 1 strand. So I'm just literally going to do a normal 3 strand all the way down to the end, just to make it into how I want it. So you can see that all of these white and purple bits all braided together are looking quite cool, and it's given me like a thicker strand to work with, which is exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom till I get to those hair bands that are in there already, and then I'm just going to add myself a hairband just to keep them together. Okay, so I've got that in there. So now what I'm going to do, take this out, and then I'm going to do a 4-strand braid, just a simple 4-strand braid. So I'm literally going to split the hair into 3, and I've got my ponytail extension as number 3. Don't forget, you can put the rest of the hair up out of the way if it's going to annoy you, or if you've got a sectioning clip, you can just add it behind so you don't end up grabbing any of the hair from behind. Okay, so give it a little spritz of water and a gel spray if you've got any, and then you're going to go under from the left. Oh, she says. Okay, under from the left, over, and then over from the right, and then under. Okay, so we're just going under, and then over, over, and then under, 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 under, and then over, over, and then under. Right, and we're probably done there. So now I'm going to grab another hairband so that I can do. I'm just going to try and put it in the same place as the one that underneath it, just so that it doesn't look like I'm adding an extra one. Okay, so we've got that there. Okay, lovely. Okay, so what we're going to do now is take out that bit at the bottom, flip that over the top and get your model to hold it. And again, just turning it to me so I can see that I'm doing it straight in the middle. So if you grab your comb and then just comb through and make sure, you could use your water spray, you can even add some hairspray now. And if you've got a smoothing brush, that's a really nice idea as well, to just if you just hairspray some of the hair and then use your smoothing brush, and it'll smooth all of those little bumps and flyaways in, and keep them in there nice for you. So that's also a good idea. Right, so once you've got your hair and you're ready, you're just going to add your hairband in here. Okay, so adding it, keeping the braid we've just done, 4-strand braid, and this ponytail separate. Don't forget, if you want to tighten up, split the whole thing. Don't just do a little bit because you'll end up getting bumps. Split the whole thing and then tighten it. Okay, now we're taking this bit back. Now this is where it's fun. So this is where you can start creating. Obviously this would look cool if it was just a half up style. Not everyone wants to wear their hair up for school. I know I like my daughter to have her hair all up for school. But here we've got our 4-strand. Now I like it as it is, but you can also go along and you can pancake it. Just pull it out from the sides, you know, go up from the bottom, and then once you've got halfway up, just carry on going. If you start pulling too much, then you'll pull the ones underneath, so you might have to go back and just fat pancake them out a bit more, but it just makes the braid a bit fuller, which I love. Okay, now then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a couple of hair grips, okay, for this next bit. So just a couple of normal hair grips, you can see, and I'm going to pin this braid to that ponytail. So I'm literally going to take my pin, and behind it I'm going to grab hold of a section. I'm just going to push it through the hairband that's underneath. So now you don't really see it, okay, but you know that it's attached, so it's not going to go anywhere. And then I'm going to do the same thing this side. So I'm putting my grip in, so a bit of the hair, and then I'm pushing it down into that hairband behind, okay? So now it's actually pinned on the top. And then to give the illusion that it's all one piece, we're going to add another hairband over the whole thing, like so. You can hide the you know, the bits of the hair at the end, at the back, you know, pull your hair over the front, and there you have another really simple, easy but cool style for school. So another one for you to try. That's literally just taken me 5 minutes as well as the explanation. So you know, it's just a really easy one for those quick mornings where you just need to get something done. Having this really did save a lot of time again, so it's definitely worth investing if you just want something quick and easy to match your uniform. And I'm going to do plenty more styles using these, so you'll have lots to refer to. Anyway, can't wait to see how you get on. Good luck!